Hey guys, Gregory from Smart 95. I'm here in Seattle, and today I'm going to tell you why I have a newfound respect for the NASA engineers who worked on the old robots that crawl all over Mars. Well, I'm here in Seattle because Intel got all the Intel Software Innovators together. So we had people from Germany, France, England, Italy, Brazil, and all over the US. We all came together to meet and greet and interact with the Intel folks to see what's coming down on the pipeline. Now, you may think we spent all our time traveling and having fun. Actually, it was mostly conferences and meetings and presentations. However, we did something really cool. We had a old hackathon challenge where the idea was to navigate a robot through a maze using Intel Joule technology and RealSense and whichever other technology we wanted. Now, it was a lot of fun. We had a very, very fun team, but everything went wrong for us. Literally, let's see, we had power issues, wheels got stuck, motors that would not turn, and of course, we lost Wi-Fi halfway through the challenge. So all our grandiose plan of controlling the robot via Wi-Fi went down. And it's actually a miracle that what you're seeing at the moment actually happened because we did not think we'd be able to get that little car to move along. And as you can tell, it has a very nice dangle and a keyboard, which would not work well on a regular basis. But here's what doing this challenge really taught me, to the rest of the team, and also other teams who ran into similar problems, is that IoT is not as simple as people want to make it sound. Many things can go wrong. And here we were in a very hackathon setup time, so it was a lot of fun for us to try to troubleshoot the problems, try to make it work. But as you start and work your IoT products, really think of all the stuff that can go wrong. For example, we had power issues. Well, what are you going to do with your users to make sure they can know what the power is going to be? At times, we wanted to upgrade the software on the board. That sounds like a simple proposition, right? Well, what do you do if Wi-Fi is down? How are you going to be sending the update? Because sometimes updates are very big, and smaller systems like Sigfox or LoRa or even LTE are not going to be able to handle that. So what do you do? What are you going to do with your product if it literally breaks down? We had a wheel come off at some point. Would people ship that back to you? How do you handle it? And that's a great part with doing this challenge, because you have just a little bit of amount of time. You see everything that can go wrong, and hopefully you deal with it. And that taught us a lot about how to make great products and how to make them faster. So again, we had a very great time here with the Intel folks. We can't thank them enough to have this program. I highly encourage you to look into it if you're not part of it yet. And if you guys end up building robots that can navigate maze automatically, please let me know and send me your samples, because we'd love to see what you guys did. Obviously, ours was just survival of the fittest. And if you happen to watch this and you guys are from NASA, just know that I'm just absolutely amazed at what you can do with robots and satellites out there, and make sure they work under those harsh conditions and keep on working no matter what happened to them. That's really awesome. And hopefully at some point we can do things that are just as sturdy and as cool as what you guys do.
Before you go, can we get you to explain your solution to the challenge?
Yes, I'll briefly, my solution to this nightmare of a challenge with a vehicle with one wheel that actually doesn't work, a battery that's incapable of powering a monitor through the board. We somehow managed to wriggle this horrible monstrosity of a robot, both programming and hardware, and I apologise for the advanced Wi-Fi technology that we're currently using, and I have to make this speech quick because we've only got enough battery power for the next 20 seconds, so we're going to check to the course and then maybe get through the corner. Thank you.
Excellent. How about it?